ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ.
ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ.
ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದಲಿ ಸಲಹು ಮಾತೆ ನೀಡು ಸನ್ಮತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯದಾತೆ.
ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದಲೇ ಸಲಹು ಮಾತೆ ನೀಡು ಸನ್ಮತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯದಾತೆ.
ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ
ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ.
ಅಂಧಕಾರವ ಓಡಿಸು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸು.
ಅಂಧಕಾರವ ಓಡಿಸು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸು.
ಹೃದಯ ಮಂದಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸು ಚಿಂತೆಯಾಳಿಸು.
ಹೃದಯ ಮಂದಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸು ಚಿಂತೆಯಾಳಿಸು.
ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಉಳಿಸು
ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಉಳಿಸು.
ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ
ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ.
ನಿನ್ನ ಮಡಿಲಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದ ಕಂದರಮ್ಮ.
ನಿನ್ನ ಮಡಿಲಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದ ಕಂದರಮ್ಮ.
ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣೆಯ ಬೆಳಕಲೆಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಗಮ್ಮ.
ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣೆಯ ಬೆಳಕಲಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಗಮ್ಮ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರಿಕೆ ಆಲಿಸಮ್ಮ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರಿಕೆ ಆಲಿಸಮ್ಮ.
ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ
ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತುಗಳಾಡಿಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸವ ಮಾಡಿಸು.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತುಗಳಾಡಿಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸವ ಮಾಡಿಸು.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದಾರಿಯಲೆಮ್ಮ ನಡೆಸು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಕಲಿಸು.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದಾರಿಯಲೆಮ್ಮ ನಡೆಸು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಕಲಿಸು.
ಆಸೆ ಪೂರೈಸು
ಆಸೆ ಪೂರೈಸು.
ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ
ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ.
ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದಲಿ ಸಲಹು ಮಾತೆ ನೀಡು ಸನ್ಮತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯದಾತೆ. ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ
ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ. ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ.
Dear student, Grasim Sirigannada High School Kavale. Subject Physical Education, Class 9th Standard. Lesson Triple Jump Theory. Lesson start. Introduction. Triple jump is one of the important jumping events in athletics. In relation to the aspects of triple jump already learned, let us learn more about it. Triple jump is an event in athletics where the athlete performs the skill using his neuromuscular coordination and explosive power of the legs. The triple jump consists of 3 types of laps: hop, step, and jump. In this event, the athlete takes off with a leg and performs a hop, landing on the same leg, followed by a step, landing with the other leg, and finally jumping into the pit. Jump. This means if the jumper takes off with the left leg, he lands on the left leg for the half, and taking off with that leg takes a step or lands on the right leg, and once again takes off with the right and lands with both legs in the pit. After takeoff, when taking off or landing, the sleeping leg, non-taking off or landing leg should not touch the ground. Next, construction of the triple jump arena. Length 40 meters, width 1.22 meters. The runway should be firm and level. The runway should be marked with white lines 5 centimeters in width. Watch video. Construction of the take-up board. Length 1.22 meters to 1.25 width 20 centimeters, thickness 10 centimeters. Next, basic rules of triple jump. Points 1. The triple jump should be done in the same order of hop, step and jump. Points 2. The lines of the runway should be stopped on and the take-up should be done by stepping on the take-up board within the lane. Points number 3. In the qualifying round, all the jumpers will be given 3 trials, out of which best 8 will be selected, who will be given 3 more attempts. Watch video.
I'm Jonathan Edwards, the first man to jump 18 metres in the triple jump. It's an event with 4 distinct parts. The hop, the step, the jump, of course, but don't forget the run-up. For me, the key in this event is creating speed and then maintaining it. First, you need to be a sprinter. My run-up was always 18 strides long, and it was flat-out acceleration right from the start, trying to create the maximum velocity that I could control at takeoff, and never looking down to try and place my foot on the board, because that would change my body position and make me lose speed. Maintaining a stable, upright body position through the 3 phases of the triple jump is really important. Whenever your foot hits the ground, it becomes a pivot around which your center of gravity rotates. And if it rotates too much, you end up in a bad position and lose speed. One of the things I did during 1995 when I broke the world record was to use a double arm action, which brought my center of gravity back a little bit and helped me to control that rotation. It made a huge difference. When your body position is stable, this allows your legs and your feet to work effectively underneath you. And here particularly, the speed of your foot contact on the ground is crucial, because the longer you're in contact with the ground, the more speed you lose. When I was jumping well, this for me was like a bounce rather than a distinct landing then takeoff. A bit like a stone skipping across the water. So that is how to triple jump, one of the most complicated disciplines in athletics, and when done well, beautiful to watch.
Next, poles. If the order of jumps, half step and jump is not according to order, then that jump is not valid. Points number 2. The runway lines should be not be stopped upon. Points number 4. Take up cannot be taken outside on either side of the take up board. Points number 4. The jump should be done into the feet. Points number 4. After landing into the pit, the jumper should not walk backward in the feet. National and international players. Henry Rebelo, state player. Henry Rebelo is a world-famous triple jump player. He participated in the first Olympics after India got independence in London in 1948. Henry was born on 17/11/1928. His family moved from Lucknow and settled in Bangalore. National athletes. Mayaka Johnny. Mayaka was born on 4/9/1988 in Kerala. She is an excellent long jumper and triple jumper and participated in the London Olympics in 2012. She surprised the Olympics qualifying mark of 14.10 meters by jumping to a distance of 14.11 meters in the final leg of the Asian Athletics Grand Prix held at Japan on 9/7/2011. She has the distinction of being the first Indian woman triple jumper to have crossed the 14 meters mark in triple jump. She has participated in several competitions and won many awards. Next, Suresh Babu, born in Kollam in Kerala on 10th February 1953. Suresh Babu was a science graduate who was good in athletics, held the national titles in the long, triple and high jump events in addition to the decathlon. Suresh was employed as a sports officer with Kerala Sports Council. Suresh Babu had earlier served as a special officer for sports and games on the Kerala State Electricity Board. He was a member of the technical committee of the All India Electricity Sports Control Board and a coach at the Sports Authority of India, Southern Centre in Bangalore.